Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican vibes, fire Reid. So welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So right now I am in the Watchwell area in St. Elizabeth. So take a tour of Watchwell area. I'll be heading to Greenfield in St. Elizabeth. So if you make a left turn, that will take you all to Lashings, Jack Sprat.
Turn right onto Fullerswood to Pedro Cross.
Lover's Leap, all them places there, you know.
Continue on Fullerswood to Pedro Cross for 1 kilometre.
So if you make a left turn, it will take you all to Newcomb Valley, also to Cheddar Beach, Lewistown. So when you're in the Watchwell area, you can take a drive to the Cheddar Beach. Go there and enjoy yourself. Also to Lover's Leap. So I'm very close to the Barber Hall area. So if you're just stopping by the channel, you can hit this like button, share and subscribe, and press the all icon. So as soon as I uploaded a video, you will be notified. Yeah man, like I get some rain today. As you can see, it's overcast in the Watchwell area. Yeah man, so when I drive them place and have to look out for stray animal and stuff, you know. Be careful on the road, always use your mirror, and please wear your seat belt. So in a few more seconds we'll be in the Williamsfield area in St. Elizabeth, because you know you also have a Williamsfield in Manchester.
Continue straight onto Williamsfield to Fullerswood Road.
So the sign say you are now leaving Williamsfield, so I'm gonna make a left turn.
In 600 meters, turn left.
On the left you have the Seventh-day Adventist Church of Williamsfield. So we're heading towards Hopewell. When you're going to Hopewell, you can use that road also go to Fort Charles Beach in St. Elizabeth. Yeah, a lot of persons kind of forget that beach because in my opinion I think it's not a beach for swimming, but if you want to go there and take in the beauty of the water, you can, but for me it's not a nice beach for swimming.
Right. Continue on Williamsfield to Fullerswood Road for 800 meters.
Trust me, people, so when you're in them places, them area in Hopewell side going to Greenfield, them place there sometimes when rain fall every place. Welcome to Hopewell. Welcome guys, welcome. So what I said, when you're in Hopewell area, sometimes when rain fall all over the island in Jamaica, sometimes them places don't really get no rain like that, you know. So on your right you have a Hopewell pumping station. Yeah man, so hopefully Hopewell get some rain today, and also in the Greenfield area. So I'm very close to Panside.
Turn left. Take the next left.
So I'm gonna make a left turn. Would all take us to in the Greenfield area.
Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
So big up all of the Williamsfield people, them St. Elizabeth, Hopewell. Big up on yourself and know one of their yard and abroad. So you know it's a farming area. Them place a lot of peanuts planted in them area, you know. But sometimes they have a little challenge with the water situation because you know, say as me say, rain don't really fall them place a lot. So on your right you have the Hopewell Primary School. Yeah man, so this is the Hopewell Primary School. A lot of persons who come to Hopewell School. Yeah man, so this is the Hopewell School, so they can take a look. Yeah, you know, a lot of things changed because of the pandemic. A lot of changes. Lot of online classes, so you know, say school not really open like that. So I'm gonna make a right turn. Man, so sometimes a lot of persons forget them place here. Them only hear about them place here but never really get to see it. So just take the time out with fire raid and tour the area. Safe and sound, you know. You're a tour guide fire raid. So this is how we're living in the St. Elizabeth area, in the Watchwell, Hopewell, going towards Greenfield, St. Elizabeth. So Greenfield is a cricket area. A lot of cricket playing Greenfield on a Sunday. People from all different community come to Greenfield and play them Sunday matches, them tournaments. So if you love your cricket, you can come to Greenfield. It's a nice look on a Sunday.
In 200 meters, slight left.
So big up the Nemard family in Greenfield and big up yourself on one there. Big up everyone.
Turn.
Man, say if you don't want to plum in the area, you can come to Greenfield and some nice red plum. I don't know if it's the hog plum, but they're very sweet. Boss, a pedaling cycle, you know. On your left, you think you have the Fort Charles Assembly of God. Thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid.